All right, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Exceed. I did take the system out of the XTM since I snapped the shaft, the spool in there, and I took the system and put it in here. Just wanted to give it a run, see if it holds up. It's only on 4S. Got the GPS up there. Ain't looking for no major numbers. Just want to see where it's at. So we're gonna go ahead and test it. Probably take it out to the big road. If not, I'll stay in here and get some passes in. We'll see. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and zero out the GPS. Sorry about that. All right. Timer started. Some 4S flybys. Just want to see if it hold up on this motor. Well, not even a motor. I want to see if the car holds up. We gotta turn that brake down a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. Rolling smooth. System sounds good. I'm gonna have to turn the steering all the way up because I do not have reverse on this thing. Yeah, we just made it. So this is a drift car, right? Let me tell y'all this. This is a drift car. So the steering on this, if I'm going real fast and I turn the steering slightly, it will spin the car around. Because the steering, instead of it turning like that, it drops. So I gotta really turn the steering down a good amount for me to get some good pulls in without overcorrecting. Let's see what it got. It's at 53 on 4S. That ain't bad. Go ahead and take it out to the big road real quick. Get a nice pull in. After that, I get some test launches in. She's doing pretty good. Just wanted to make sure she was tracking straight. 53 ain't bad for 4S. I believe I hit 108, if I'm not mistaken, this car already. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get a quick flyby because there is a car coming. Wasn't bad. See what it did. Sorry about that, guys. I was trying to correct the steering. It did 60. That ain't bad. I'm liking the setup in here. Hopefully y'all seeing that. I'm liking the setup in here. It's nice and smooth. Do need to do some tuning to it so get it right. But as for now, she is pulling nice. Yeah, and get some test pulls in. What I really want to see if that spool hold up to this motor. A 61 that time. That wasn't bad for us. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this on for us. Just messing around with one of the Awafi batteries, I believe it is. But that's the setup that was in, that motor's nice and cool. ESC is cool. The same setup I had in the XTM. It's on 4S. Hopefully y'all seeing that. 14.8, 60C. Not bad. Everything's running nice and cool. Well, it's on 4S, so for 60, that ain't bad. I'll probably try to get more out of this. See if I could get up high on 4S, but I do want to break some more numbers with this on 6S. This is not the system I plan on keeping in here. I plan on putting this back in the XTM. That would be the next testing tune, because I did take the, I'll explain that in another video, but let's get some test hits in and see how she does. All right, guys, we're gonna get some. We're gonna get some light test hits in. See if it holds up. So far, I'm liking the system in here. If anything, I'll probably get a system for this to keep it in here, but I definitely want to put this back in the XTM. See what she do off the line. They got some power. It was willying just now. Why I'm pulling like that? What's going on? Alright, YouTube, car kind of light in the front. It's only on 4S, can't really handle that power. So let's see what happens off the line again. Wasn't bad. 4S, I see the car jumping up off the ground though. Get another test hit in. That wasn't bad. She definitely hitting nice. Could use some weight, because once I put 6S in there, that's gonna make a big difference if I plan on drag racing this one. I'm still planning on going with the XTM. I just gotta see if the spool's holding up, so that'll be in the next video for sure. Get one more hit in, then we're gonna call it a wrap. She holding up so far. One more hit in. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. Thank you guys for tuning in. She did good on that system. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this system in there or get one to put in there, but I'd rather stay with the XTM, keep the system in the XTM. So alright guys, stay tuned for the XTM video.